the 12th of August 2016, you're going to have to think about how the Insurance Act affects claims. Some claims were governed by the old law, but more and more will be governed by the new. This video provides a short overview of the Act and introduces you to the booklet that will help you use the new law in practice. New law is a bit different. The Kennedys we thought it would be helpful to have an easy to follow guide, so here it is. It's not full of text that you have to trawl through each time you want to check something. Rather, it contains a series of flowcharts that take you step by step through the new law. You can download a copy of the guide at the link provided on the page where you found this tutorial. Keep watching this video for an explanation as to how the guide works. In other videos in this series, we'll use the booklet to explain how the new law works and how it applies to claims. So what does the Act cover? Here are the key areas affected by the Act. Firstly, the law relating to non-disclosure and misrepresentation is codified into a new duty for insurers. That's called the duty to present the risk fairly. Remedies are changed too and are more proportionate. The remedies available for breach of the warranty are also changed and they are now more fair. And the remedies for fraud are codified for the first time. All these are covered in the booklet. The booklet does not deal with two other parts of the Act: changes to the Third Party Rights Against Insurers Act 2010 and changes brought about by the Enterprise Act that allows an insured to claim for damages if a claim is paid late. Let's look at how the guide works, and we'll take non-disclosure as an example. The guide is a series of charts. Each chart has a number of symbols. I'll explain what they're for. Most of the guide is a series of questions that you answer yes or no. These diamond shapes contain the questions. You fold the lines depending on your answer until you're provided with a conclusion that you're looking for. Blue boxes always have an arrow underneath them pointing you to another page. I'll come back and explain how that works in a minute. These red oval shapes contain a conclusion. You'll find green oval shapes in the guide as well. They contain answers to the questions found in the blue boxes. Let's see how that works. Say you worked your way through this page and have reached the blue box asking, was there a fair presentation of the risk? This is an important and complex question and needs a page of its own to answer it. To do so, turn to the page showing the arrow beneath the box, page 5. Again, you have to work your way through the guide until you reach the green oval. Depending on how you've answered these questions, you'll be given one of two answers, either yes or no. Go back to the page shown in the red arrow and use the answer in the blue box. Keep following the path until you reach your conclusion. This is just an introduction. We'll talk you through each of these pages and other videos on specific topics. More details are provided on the page where you found this tutorial. So that's how the booklet works. Download it now if you haven't already. The page where you found this tutorial will explain how to do that. I'm Michael Hogg, a partner in Kennedy's London office. The Insurance Act, a distinctive approach.